So this video is all about the headline, and I'll show you where the headline is, what it is, and why you should customize the headline. So the headline is this part here. It sits just under your name. Now the headline is 120 characters, and recruiters will read this headline before they start to read anything else. In fact, this is probably what's help them to find your account. So in the last video about customizing your URL, I mentioned a keyword. I used a keyword in my URL, interview coach, and I use it in my headline as well. And that's what you need to start thinking about, is keywords. So what are your keywords and how do you do this? Well, you go and look on a few job adverts. Go and have a look on the common themes on those job adverts. So the requirements, usually qualifications, knowledge, skills, competencies, all those are what a recruiter would use to find you. And the more you have in your profile, the higher up in the search you'll be. So this is why it's so important to maximize your profile and get all the keywords in and get all the information into your profile before you start networking. So this is how to get found on LinkedIn. So your headline is a lot more than just your job title. And if you do nothing, if you've not customized your headline, then it will default to your last or current job title. And having worked in HR as a recruiter for 12 years, I was an in-house recruiter in manufacturing, engineering and banking in the City of London. Job titles don't really say a lot. Some of them are quite vague. So assistant director, senior director, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really tell you what they do or actually what discipline, sector or industry they're in. So this 120 characters is something you need to think about to expand on what you offer that next employer. If you are a member of a professional body and you have letters after your name, I would definitely add them on your account. And where you would do that is go to the edit, the little pencil there to indicate this section can be edited, and I'll show you even more behind the scenes to show you how to edit your headline. You would put it after your surname. So see there, I've put the letters after my name after the surname because I want to utilize the 120 characters I've got in the headline for the things that I'm offering and the people that I'm working with, rather than take up more space or a few more characters on any qualifications. Now, of course, you can put your qualifications in here if you've got Prince 2 or NEBOSH or IOSH, or you're a member of a professional body that's related to your industry, accounting, law, then yes, absolutely put it in your headline. But I would, to try and utilize space, I would put it after the surname.